Two Air Force of Zimbabwe AFZ pilots reportedly lost their lives after a military helicopter crashed in Masvingo on Sunday. Sanapinda mashoko kubuda panguva ine achionekwa kunzi aiwa pane maAir Force pilots aiwa votsakatika kana kuti vofa who died in Mnangagwa helicopter crash. Sanapinda mashoko kubuda nyoka panguva ine ndiri subscribe or like put on the bell icon. Kimina mnau kubuda nyoka mchinze. The ill-fated chopper had initially been assigned to transport Vice President Nkosazana Chiwenga and his security detail on the official event. However, the Vice President opted not to use the helicopter, allegedly after receiving intelligence of a possible assassination attempt. While the AFZ is yet to officially confirm the deaths, early reports suggest that both pilots were killed in the crash. The pilots actually lost their lives, sources indicated. Vice President Chiwenga, who skipped the event, was said to be attending a family function in Bulawayo at the time of incident. The crash occurred under mysterious circumstances shortly after President Emmerson Mnangagwa's birthday celebrations at the historic Great Zimbabwe Monuments. ZimEye is currently gathering more details on the reported deaths and will provide updates as soon as the new information becomes available. Ndo mashoko ari kubuda anoonekwa kunzi ma-atoms aiwa ekuataka VP Nkosazana Chiwenga they are still alive. Panguva ine panoonekwa kunzi this headline which was produced our last year September 2024 chinoonekwa kunzi VP Nkosazana Chiwenga aiwa he snapped, he did not attend aiwa President Emmerson Mnangagwa's birthday last year. Aiwa nokuda kwema-assassination attempts anga receiver from his intelligence details and security details. Panguva ine panoonekwa kunzi VP Nkosazana Chiwenga aiwa vakapukunyuka aiwa pane this assassination attempt, and panguva ino VP Nkosazana Chiwenga is remaining steadfast, and panguva ino pari kuonekwa kunzi there is ZANU-PF conference is approaching. Ari kuramba panguva ino VP Nkosazana Chiwenga akachenjera zvakanyanyisa just because he knows people he is living and dealing with. Nangu mese kuchemeri muti dzimafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.